Hello, welcome back. If village people can learn English successfully like these people, they have mastered English language, they are from the village area. They didn't have great schools. They didn't have a lot of great teachers. They learned it themselves. They can master this English language being in the village area. Why can't you? We will talk this in this video. Well, in this video, I have something inspiring to share with you. Many people believe that if they come from a village area and if they don't have the fancy schools and good teachers, they cannot speak English. Look, I am from a village area and the people I showed you earlier, they are from the village area, but they have mastered English language and they are speaking. They are speaking in front of the people. They are confident because they have done hard work. So, if you think in that way, that's a myth. Let me tell you, that's a myth. Anyone can learn English. They have the capacity. Let's talk about it. Well, there had been many people, YouTubers, they struggled a lot in their journey of English learning, and at last, they eventually learned this language and they are communicating. So how did that happen? Stay with me till the very end in this video and I am gonna show you the real life examples of the people that will change your mindset forever. And if you think that English learning being in the village area is not my cup of tea, and if you think that you don't have the English environment, that's gonna be changing your mind and you will jump into this field of learning English language. So let's get started. Let's dive in. Well, you might have heard about some people, they say that I didn't study in an English medium school, so I can't speak English. English is too difficult for me, for the village people like us, and only city kids can speak English fluently. These are the myths they have. But let me tell you, the truth is, English is just a skill, just the habit. We drive the bicycles, like we cook food, okay? We have developed some habits. It has nothing to do with where you come from and what you can do, okay? With the right practice, right methods, and dedication, you can master this English language and you can definitely learn it. Well, she is known as Dehati Madam and she has a channel called English with Dehati Ma'am or Dehati Madam, and more than 3 lakh subscribers she has. She grew up in the village area and with her hard work, she developed her English communication skills and she became famous with the help of only English language, with her dedication, hard work, practice. Okay, she never went to any coaching classes for speaking practice, but with her own efforts, she mastered this English language and she is really able to earn money from her YouTube channel and she is helping lots of people like us. I'm also from a village area, but I learned it. I'm really impressed with Dehati Madam and I hope she would be doing the same thing in this manner, helping a lot of people. Right? Now we have this boy, his name is Jadu. He's from Jharkhand, okay? And he has a YouTube channel, around 60,000 subscribers he has. And he has gained this much of subscribers with the help of English speaking. He's from a village area. He's only in 9th or maybe 8th standard right now. But he has confidence of speaking English. He's awesome. I am surprised, amazed to see that he is motivated to speak in front of anybody. He has made lots of videos, conversational videos, uploaded them on his YouTube channel, and I have seen them that he is having conversation with the native English speakers, but there is no any hesitation. He has great guts and courage and he is very much passionate about learning English, and this is what we need. This is what the people from the village area need. If we have this much of courage like him, like these people who have learned English language, nobody can stop us. It's about making mistakes and speaking practice. We need to develop the practice. So these are the people like us we need to become. So if they can do it without any expensive coaching centers, classes, or without any English speaking environment, so you can also do it. Right. How did they learn English? Do you want to know this? Let me break it down for you. They practiced English language regularly every single day. They didn't think about learning English only. They put some effort into it and they practiced listening, speaking, reading, and writing. They used simple and free resources to learn English language. Okay, instead of expensive courses, they tried to take YouTube videos, applications on Play Stores, podcasts, etc. These kind of materials which are available online for free. You can use them. Okay, they weren't afraid of making mistakes. Okay, you are afraid of making mistakes. That's why you are not growing. At first they spoke broken English, but they kept speaking. They didn't care about the people, what they say, and they just kept speaking. Okay, that's what you have to do. They created English environment for themselves. Okay, being in the village area, you can create English environment. Okay, watch English movies, cartoon videos, watch, listen, speak, read, write, everything with your own efforts. Create your own environment. Surround yourself. You have a mobile phone, you have your TV, okay? If you have the friends, talk with them in English if they don't mind. If they are supportive, talk in English with your friends, okay? So they created their English environment. That's why they were able to speak. That's what you have to do. Now for the motivation. I want you to ask one simple question. If these village area people from the small town, from the small village, they can master English language with their hard work, why can't you? They are people. You're also a person, okay? You can do it. Okay, you have the internet access, you have the strong desire to learn, you have each and every material, YouTube videos, podcasts, applications. They are there to help you. There is no any excuse you must make. Okay, so I think there is only one thing that stops you, which is the belief. You believe that you can't do it. Today I want you to say, yes, I can. Okay, definitely you can. I believe in you. You have to believe in yourself. So, are you ready to take your first step towards it? Right, if you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment me below that I can do it, I will learn English. Let's learn English together. Take care, catch you in the next video.